This is a completely move-in ready house in a nice B-grade suburb, right? If you're buying properties in neighborhoods where the only thing you could do is, acquire Section 8 tenants and the majority of the properties in that neighborhood are rentals, you're not going to really be able to sell your homes to first-time homebuyers very often, right? That is not the case here, right? All right, y'all. Got a heck of a deal for you today. This one's in Parma, Ohio, 3106 Brookdale. This is a completely move-in ready house in a nice B-grade suburb, right? This is the type of property that you can acquire where you rent it out for X amount of years, make stable and consistent cash flow from your tenant, and then when it's time to sell the property, you do exactly what you see here. You take the property, you remove tenants or wait, till tenants naturally turn over, and then at that point you want to sell it completely vacant because you have the opportunity to hit two types of buyers, right? Buyer number one would be an investor type buyer, okay? They could still buy it because it's a good opportunity. It's an appreciating area, nice price to rent ratio. But you also open yourself up to the other type of buyer, which is an owner-occupant first-time home buyer, right? Obviously, here at Holton Wise, we're a company that is focused on investors, right? But the particular investor who owns this, we are not going to turn away money for him, right? Because part of being an investor, guys, is making money on the exit. And when you buy a property like this in a neighborhood like this, you have the opportunity to exit at a nice price, like $159,900, to a first-time home buyer, right? If you're buying properties in neighborhoods where the only thing you could do is, acquire Section 8 tenants and the majority of the properties in that neighborhood are rentals, you're not going to really be able to sell your homes to first-time homebuyers very often, right? That is not the case here, right? So sure, you can go into more risky neighborhoods and work a higher risk profile, get a nicer price to rent ratio, but your exit won't be as smooth, your ownership experience won't be as smooth. You're probably going to deal with, evictions and problems and things of that nature that you wouldn't deal with here, right? So this property is a great example of somebody who wants to park their money, 10, 15, 20 years, whatever it is, make money on cash flow throughout the ownership experience, make money on principal paydown, make money on the tax deductions you get for owning a rental property, then exit at a premium price point, whether that's to a new investor or an owner-occupied buyer, and you'll, of course, exit at a much higher price than when you bought it. And as far as owning it throughout the time period, it's going to be very simple, man. It's very smooth sailing, very low risk. We have newer mechanicals into the property. Everything is pretty simple here, right? So if you're interested in making an offer on this property and you're local and you'd like to tour it, before you do so, that's fine. Hit us up, sales@holtonwise.com. We'll get you in there. If you're not local and you can't physically tour it, I want you to stick around to the end of this video because when I'm done talking, I'm going to show you the complete unedited video tour from my team so you can see the exact condition of the property, right? They literally walk through the entire house, room by room, inch by inch, showing you everything. Not a fancy, edited marketing shot, with, background music or anything. It's literally just the raw footage from when my guys were in there, so it's like you're there physically walking it yourself. Then when you're done with that, if you'd like to make an offer, it's sales@holtonwise.com. You could just send me an email telling me how much you want to buy, and I could draft up the offer for you. I am obviously a licensed real estate broker. Or if you would like to hire your own agent to represent you, that's totally fine. You could do that and have them send in the offer to sales@holtonwise.com. But just so you know, if you're going to hire your own agent, you're going to have to pay them. We get a lot of buyers out there that think they could hire their own agent and then we will pay their agent. And that's not how it works, man. You want somebody to work for you, that's great. But you're going to need to figure out how to pay him because I would imagine that person's going to want to get paid. So if you're down to pay your own agent, great. Have them reach out to me. If you don't want to hire your own agent, just reach out to me directly and I'll handle all the paperwork. Sales@holtonwise.com. Stick around for the uncensored video tour now.
Beautiful brick house. Lots of carpet. That's fine. looks in good shape. It feels nice to not be getting whipped around by the wind here. Nice TV in the back there. Solid. One car garage. Garage. Oh shit. This backyard is pretty deep. Interesting. Just an okay shape. Half trimmed hedges. Quickly get a side of this. Other sides, I'll have to do this on the way out. Solid on this side. Girls. Living room.
Yeah, this is, didn't read our email about the utilities.
You just ignored it.
Yeah. Whatever.
What the fuck, dude? You messed up my sway.
Just a random knife in the closet.
Nice.
Some shit you get in there.
Top looking like, pretty clean, pretty serious. Nice vanity. No. Telling me there's no utilities on in here? Alright, well, I'm gonna go do upstairs.
I'm assuming the water's probably still on.
Nah, yeah. It is. Well, it's off at the main because Vince turned it off.
Oh, yeah. Yeah, so he just straight up like, fuck all that.
Opportunity for a third bedroom up in this bitch. Maximize your dollars. Oh, there is a light switch up here. Or not a light switch, I'm sorry, an outlet. Didn't think there were any up here. Oh, there's like two up here. Cool. Three! On here too. On B. I don't know what the deal with this is though. We got the arrayed foggers. But I think I'm not good at thinking. I'm not gonna do that. There are 3 outlets up there.
Did they even install flooring up there, or is it just fucking regulars?
No, there's flooring. It's just not like good flooring.
Fucking plywood?
Yeah, in some parts, yes. What's going on with my fucking shoe? They're best monkeys. Looks like there was carpet glued down here before. Very nice, very nice. Nice big space. Yeah, these cool ass light covers. It's got those rustic vibes. Washer dryer hookups. Got the Goodman furnace. Good. It's good, man. Hot water tank looks good. What's over in here? Nothing. Just a whole lot of nothing. Oh, some wood. Nothing. Gas meter must be outside. Cool. Looks good to me. All right.
All good.
Yeah, we're all good.
We Gucci.
I think my favorite thing about this house so far is these bushes in the backyard that are half trimmed.
Dude, that's like, if you look at it from the side, it's like a two-faced bush.
Yeah. It's pretty sick.
Easy enough.
Try not to let the wind rip the fucking door off. Nice looking neighborhood. Holton Wise. Out.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to Holton Wise TV for more financial information, education, and entertainment.